You finally did it. You landed the job, finished the first month, and that first real paycheck just hit your account. For about 5 minutes, you feel like you finally made it. Then you look at your rent, your student loan bill, and that mandatory happy hour with coworkers. Suddenly, that big salary feels tiny. In 2026, most new grads make the same 5 mistakes that keep them living paycheck to paycheck for years. Today, we're making it clear. Here's how to stop losing your first paycheck before you even touch it. Mistake number 1, budgeting for your gross salary. If your offer letter said $60,000, you do not have $5,000 a month. Between federal taxes, state taxes, and health insurance, you're likely taking home 25 to 30% less than you think. Take your net amount, the actual money that hits your bank, and that is your 100%. If you budget based on your gross, you are starting every single month in debt. Think about it. Your budget is your battle plan for your money. If you start with the wrong numbers, you've already lost the war before the first bill is even due. So pull up your first pay stub. Look for that take-home pay number. That's your new reality. That's the only number that matters. Forget the big, flashy salary figure. Focus on what you actually get to keep. Mistake number 2, the victory lap. It's so tempting to celebrate your new job with a new car or a nicer apartment. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's a financial trap. The goal in 2026 isn't just to look like you have a career. It's to actually build one that lasts. Every $100 you commit to a car payment or a luxury amenity right now is money you aren't using to kill your student loans or invest while you re-young. The power of compound interest is strongest when you have more time on your side, and that's right now. So instead of upgrading your car, think about upgrading your financial future. Keep driving that old car for another year. Stay in that slightly less cool apartment. The temporary sacrifice will pay off massively down the road when you're not drowning in payments and can actually enjoy the freedom your career brings. Don't trade long-term wealth for short-term status. Mistake number 3, ignoring the employer match. If your job offers a 401k match and you aren't contributing enough to get it, you are literally giving away free money. In 2026, with inflation where it is, you cannot afford to leave a 3% or 5% bonus on the table. It's a 100% return on your investment, guaranteed. Let me say that again. A 100% return, instantly. You will not find that anywhere else. Not in stocks, not in crypto, not anywhere. Your company is essentially saying, hey, for every dollar you save for retirement, we'll give you $1 for free, up to a certain point. If you don't take that deal, you're essentially taking a pay cut. Go to your HR portal right now. Find the 401k information and set your contribution to at least meet the full company match. Don't leave that money on the table. It's yours. Go get it. Mistake number 4, the emergency fund myth. You might be thinking $1,000 is enough. The old advice was to save $1,000 and you're good. In today's economy, that's 1 car repair or 1 medical copay away from zero. $1,000 doesn't provide the security it used to. Your first goal should be to save 1 full month of essential living expenses. That means your rent, your utilities, your food, and your transportation. Nothing else. Once you have that, then you can aim for 3 to 6 months. And don't just let it sit in a regular checking account. Put it in a high-yield savings account. Right now, some online banks are offering around 4 to 5% APY. This lets your safety net make you money while you sleep. It's a powerful feeling, knowing you have a real cushion that's also growing on its own. It's the difference between a minor inconvenience and a full-blown financial crisis. Mistake number 5, auto-pay blindness. Check your statements. Seriously, open your banking app right now and look at last month's transactions. That gym you don't go to, the streaming service you don't watch, and that cool AI tool you used once for a free trial are all draining your new salary, little by little. These small, recurring charges are called subscription creep, and they add up incredibly fast. $10 here, $15 there. Suddenly you're losing $100 a month to things you don't even use or value. You have to be the CEO of your own finances. If you don't track it, you can't grow it. Set a calendar reminder once a month to do a subscription audit. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in 30 days, cancel it. You can always sign up again if you miss it, but chances are you won't. Look, the first paycheck is a huge milestone. You should absolutely celebrate it, but don't spend it all. If you can master these 5 things in your first 90 days on the job, you will be ahead of 90% of your peers. You'll be building a foundation of financial security that will serve you for the rest of your life. It's not about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Now that you know what not to do with your paycheck, you need a place to put the money you're saving. Watch this video next, where I break down the top 3 high-yield savings accounts for 2026 that actually pay you to save. Make it clear. See you in the next one.